Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you an example of finding the error bound of the mean with Minitab. Our problem says a quality engineer is analyzing the assembly time for mid-complexity circuit boards on a semi-automated production line. A random sample of 12 boards was timed, and the results were approximately bell-shaped. The sample showed a mean assembly time of 26 minutes with a standard deviation of 4 minutes. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean assembly time of all circuit boards produced under these conditions. Write the confidence interval in the form estimate plus or minus the margin of error, which in this case means we're going to take the mean plus or minus our error bound of the mean. Before we go to Minitab, we need to think about which test we need to use. Because we only have the standard deviation of the sample, not of the population, we are going to perform a t-test. In Minitab, we'll start by pushing Stat, Basic Statistics, 1 Sample T. We'll select Summarize Data, and we'll enter our sample size of 12, our sample mean of 26, and our standard deviation of 4. In the options, we're verifying that we have the correct confidence level, and then we select OK. The summarized data gives us the standard error of the mean, 1.15, and our 95% confidence interval of 23.46 to 28.54. This confidence interval represents a lower bound of the mean minus the error bound of the mean, and an upper bound of the mean plus the error bound of the mean. Notice we don't have the error bound of the mean yet, but we can get it pretty quickly. Our mean is 26. We know the upper bound was formed by taking 26 and adding the error bound of the mean. So if we want to find the error bound of the mean, we can just subtract 28.54 and 26 to get 2.54. Now that we have the error bound of the mean, we can express our confidence interval as the mean plus or minus the error bound of the mean, which is 26, plus or minus 2.54.